future GERMAVENGERS, Sophia here. Today, we will find out why do hand sanitizers have alcohol content. You can check it by looking at its label. We know that hand sanitizers give extra measures to keep us clean and free from germs, but this wouldn't be possible without their alcohol ingredient. Alcohol is mixed in the sanitizer to make it capable of killing the germs. This alcohol ingredient can destroy the protective layers of the germs so that it can attack and kill them. Let's put it this way. Hand sanitizer is like a gun, and the alcohol content is its bullet that kills the tiny germs coated with strong shield. Now I know, and now you also know. So remember, always sanitize, especially your hands, to keep you safe and to keep your loved ones safe too. Bye!